Good, good morning to all, my dear children. Welcome back to your computer online class. Today we are going to study a new and interesting topic, which is keyboard typing with left hand. So let's see. Now children, you all can see the two hands. This one is left and this one is right. The alphabets, numbers, etc. written represents what you have to type with that finger. Children, today's topic is typing with left hand only. We will study right hand in the next class. Okay, now let's start. Little finger. You have to type 1, Q, A and Z with the little finger. Ring finger. You have to type 2, W, S, X using the ring finger. Middle finger. You have to type 3, E, D, C using the middle finger. Index finger. You have to type 4, R, F, V, 5, T, G, B using the index finger. Using the thumb of left hand, you will do nothing. Okay, children? Now this is your classwork. Now this is your homework.